Petmarra Creamy Sticks. Prebiotics for healthy gut. With added prebiotics, our treats contribute to a healthy gut environment, supporting digestion and maintaining overall gastrointestinal health for your cat. Taurine for beautiful eyes. Our treats contain taurine, an essential amino acid that supports beautiful eyes by promoting healthy vision and optimal eye function in cats. Vitamin E for shiny coat. Enriched with vitamin E, our treats help maintain a shiny coat, enhancing the appearance and health of your cat's fur, making them look and feel their best. Treat your cat to Petmarra Creamy Cat Sticks for moments of indulgence and joy. Petmarra link in comment.